Hi, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to set up Kick Chat on OBS. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Now, to be able to add your Kick Chat to your OBS, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on Docs over here on the top left, and you will be able to see the custom browser dock over here. You're going to click this, and in this section you will be able to add a dock. Right now I already have set it up, but what you're going to need to do is you're going to name your dock name as Kick, and then the URL you're going to have to type in your username or your display name in Kick and put it in kick.com/your username/chatroom. You would need to have this chatroom over here, so make sure that you add that to your URL. After that, you're going to click on apply and click on close, and you will be able to have a dock over here. As you can see, we have a Kick, and simply click that and you will be able to have your dock over here of your chats in this section, as you can see here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.